Welcome to my channel MGK Institute WebMax. Subscribe for more videos. Today we are going to see the solving the system of linear equation by Cramer's rule. Let us see a sum. A family of 3 people went out for a dinner in a restaurant. The cost of 2 dosai, 3 idlis and 2 vadas is rupees 150. The cost of 2 dosai, 2 idlis and 4 vadas is rupees 200. The cost of 5 dosai, 4 idlis and 2 vadas is rupees 250. The family has rupees 350 in hand and they ate 3 dosai, 6 idlis and 6 vadas. Will they be able to manage to pay the bill within the amount they had? So let us find out the cost of each item. We had dinner, paid a sum of money. Help us to find the cost of each item. So these 3 people are so surprised to see the cost of each item. Let the cost of each item be, that is idli as x, dosai as y and vada the z. The required equation are 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 150, 2x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 200, 5x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 250. Find the determinant of the matrix and check whether the Cramer's rule can be applied or no. So the Cramer's rule cannot be applied unless the delta is not equal to 0. So the required equations are 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 150, 2x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 200, 5x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 250. So these equations are written in the form of a matrix, that is delta 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2. Now let us find the determinant for this matrix. Then we found the value to be 20, which is not equal to 0. Now since the delta is not equal to 0, the Cramer's rule can be applied. Now we have to find out the value of delta z, delta x and delta y. How do we go about that? Now delta x can be written as the first column has been replaced by 150, 200 and 250. Now the delta y, the middle column has been replaced by the constant 150, 200 and 250. In delta z, the last column has been replaced by the constant 150, 200 and 250. Now required delta x, delta y and delta z. Now we have to find the delta x, delta y and delta z. How do we do that? Let us find the matrix of delta x. That is 150, 3, 2, 200, 2, 4, 250, 4, 2. So the determinant value we got is 600. And for delta y, 2, 152, 2, 204, 5, 252. Now the delta y is equal to 200. Now the delta z is equal to 600. Now we have to find the each value of x, y, z using Cramer's rule. That is delta x by delta for x and delta y by delta for y, delta z by delta for z. For x it is 600 by 20, that is equal to 30. Y is equal to 200 by 20, that is equal to 10. Z is equal to delta z by delta, that is equal to 600 by 20, that is equal to 30. Now we found the each value of the item. That is for idli it is 30, for dosa it is 10 and for vada it is rupees 30. Now let us find the consolidated value. Also we have to find out the cost of 3 dosai, 6 idlis and 6 vada. That is, to find the value of the expression 3x plus 6y plus 6z is equal to 3 into 30 plus 6 into 10 plus 6 into 30, which is equal to 90 plus 60 plus 160, that is equal to rupees 330. Since the family had rupees 350, they'll be able to manage to pay the bill. Yeah, thank you for helping us.